Of Canal Side works out quite well with the continued weather roller coaster that we've been on here in February.
We've got tumbling temperatures tonight. We can make some ice out there, and then by the time you know it, by the middle of the week, we've got record highs.
Going up to like 60 something, right, Josh?
Easily record high temperatures into the 60s, I think, by Tuesday. So this is just a little taste of what you would typically find in February. Made it up to 42. That's a little deceiving because that happened just after midnight at the beginning of the day. Our actual high temperature was 40 degrees during the day. The average high right now is around 35, so still milder for sure, but let's look at that weekend here in a nutshell. We are talking about chilly breezes and temperatures overnight into the mid-teens. If you're going to be out and about late night, you really need to bundle up as we head into Saturday. It might start a little cloudy, and we'll have some flakes around, especially closer to Lake Ontario, but the sun will be back. And check out Sunday. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Mostly cloudy, 42 degrees, but again, not as harsh. By the way, check out the full snow moon on Saturday night. It'll be out. It rises, let's see here, at 6:12 p.m. in the evening tomorrow. It's 100% full. And by the way, it is a mini moon. And what that means is that the moon is at its furthest distance away from the Earth instead of a supermoon. And so that makes it at apogee instead of perigee. All right, that's your science lesson here for the evening. Hour by hour we go here for your Saturday. Cold temperatures into the low 20s, but again, clouds will give way to sunshine. We are going to find wind chills into the single digits in spots Saturday afternoon. So even though we're not doing a lot of shoveling at all, we are certainly doing plenty of shivering with that breeze coming in out of the north. It'll be out of the north for all of Saturday. It'll be shifting back into the southwest as we go into Sunday, out ahead of that feature right there that's to our northwest that will deliver some showers of rain and wet snow probably by the time we get into late Sunday night. As far as the lake flakiness is concerned, nothing special here. Could see maybe a half an inch of snow in some spots by the time you wake up on Saturday morning. 36 degrees right now with the wind out of the southwest. We're at 32 in Dunkirk, 38 in Niagara Falls. So secondary cold front has come on through. You can see the fog very nicely here in the visible satellite right there that is drifted into Buffalo. It's actually drifted back in the last hour or so. And then some of the clouds associated with that front. Again, temperatures are going to be taking their tumble as we go through the night tonight, dropping into the teens in most spots. The lake effect clouds should be gone, I think, by midday tomorrow. And we're left with a good supply of sunshine from hilltop to lakeshore as we head into Sunday morning. Those southerly breezes will help send temperatures back into the upper 30s and low 40s, and we will find maybe a shower of rain or wet snow going into late Sunday night, Monday. Tonight, down to the teens. Tomorrow, a stray lake flake, mostly sunny otherwise. Your top temp at 25, and there is your super 7-day forecast. Again, what a difference a day is going to make between Saturday and Sunday, and what a difference we'll see for early next week. Out ahead of a front, temperatures are going to soar into the 60s. 65 is easily a record breaker for Buffalo on Tuesday. Showers will continue Wednesday. Temperatures will drop from midnight highs in the 50s back into the 20s on Thursday. And then we're going to find typical temperatures for this time of year for the end of next week. Break out your scorecards.
I was going to say,
that is
keep track
spinning.
of everything.
It is, right. That's your job.
Your beach umbrella as well. Maybe there'll be a beach day. All right, Josh, thank you. We'll be right back.